Don't step outside when you move it.
Kids go ready.
Okay, should I go on?
All right, girls, let's win it. Last two. Well done.
Come on, girls, battle.
All right.
Come on, Ellen. Come on, Ellen. Come on, Ellen.
Good battle.
Forward motion. Olivia. Yes, other side. Very good. Touch. Okay, that's you, Ella. You're the closest press. Yes. Good, McKenna. Don't just kick it away, McKenna. I trust you. Yes, yes, yes. That's you, Ella. Okay, this is. She's not there. Ella, she's not there. Find the other side. Find the other side.
Good. Good pressure. Excellent. Good, Ellie. Good, Ellie.
Yeah, reset it, Scarlett.
Yeah, stay with her. You got it.
Through ball, Scarlett. Other side.
And up in the air.
That's you. Can you be more central, Amani? Amani.
Okay, mark up. Mark up. Midfield, mark up.
Touch forward. Touch forward.
That's it. Get up quickly, Emily. And up.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, come on, Ella. Come on, Ella.
Great, Emily in the middle. Go, Emily, go. Go, Hannah.
Play faster.
Good, Hannah. Go, Hannah. Good
Go.
pressure, girls.
Great. Pass the ball.
All right, let's go, girls. Go for it.
Between you guys.
Emma. Girls, you're playing awesome.
Remember what I said, girls? No, put it on the ground. Comes the press.
Good, good win. Take turn. Good, stay on her. A little bit of help. You got her, Emily.
Scarlett! Scarlett! Look for the through pass.
Let's go, Ellie.
Yes, it's good. Over there.
Wait.
All right.
Press. Very good, Amani. Drop, McKenna.
Shoot, buddy.
Come on, support her. Who's there? Who's there? Yes. Amani, now you stay here. Amani, central.
Yes,
Yep.
it is.
Very good, McKenna. Yours, McKenna. Yeah, pass back. Now you're pass other side.
Go.
Hannah, up.
Rough stop. Okay, go, Emily.
Take a knee. Not yet.
And up, Lucy. Good, Lucy. Go, girls, go.
Pick it up.
Emma, that's yours. Rough sub. All your subs, girls. Sub, yeah. Good job. Cross the water, you girls.
Use Amani. Scarlett, get wider. Forward motion, Amani. There it is. Press her, Scarlett. Press Scarlett. Dribble in right. Amani, take the dribble. Ray, central.
Guns out.
McKenna, get ready to drop.
Okay, mark up.
McKenna, drop a bit.
Myra, you got it.
There it is.
Emily, go.
Drop, Amani. Press her, Scarlett. Scarlett, your ball. Scarlett.
Okay, girls, mark up. Follow your marks. Myra.
Tell her.
Yeah, Myra.
Dribble, Scarlett. Always moving.
Lots of talking, girls. Stay goal side.
Scarlett.
Good job, Ellie. Good job.
Refs up. Scarlett. McKenna, stay where you are.
Ball. Eyes on the ball.
Ella.
Behind you. Behind you.
Hey, Scarlett. Come on, Liana. Pay attention to the game.
Go, Ellie. Go, Ellie.
Drop ball. It's a yes, thank you. Amani, he's gonna drop it. You're gonna boot it.
Dave,
Higher up,
drop.
Anna, Morgan.
Drop. Emily, drop. Ava. Ava behind
There
you.
it is.
Ava behind you.
Goal kick. Retreat line, ladies.
Yeah. Well, it's just because of the neutral. Yeah, the wind. Oh, yeah. I didn't realize how windy.
Liana, listen, please. Back up. Liana, ball here. Tell the ref tells you. Forward motion. Forward motion. Dribble past her. Get back. To the ball, Morgan. Hey, Amani. Goal side.
Go, Hannah. Nice. Oh. Try, Hannah. Nice kick.
No retreat. No retreat.
Hannah, watch behind you. Clear open.
Pick it up.
Look out, Annie.
Keep the pressure up, girls. You played excellent.
Good. Let's go. Very good touch, Morgan.
Go, Ellie.
Monty, watch clear. Goal side.
Amani, goal side. Everyone drop. Everyone drop. Drop further, Amani. Quick, battle. Go. Good job, Anna. McKenna, I want you to try and play with the ball. Okay? Pressure, Emily. You got me.
Good job, Hannah.
Wait, Hannah, it's a foul. Hannah, it's right here. It's a foul. Liana, up the line. McKenna, on the ball. Ball through. Liana, on the ball.
Sorry, left
In this scenario, go high, but it's here. Girls, inside there. McKenna, I want you to shoot. She's high. Liana! Liana! Wait. Very good.
Nice job.
Hammer that!
Oh, nice try.
Girls, mark up. Great. Remember? Nice and close. Good. Nice and close. Stay full time. Yes,
Good line, Annie.
all right, Hannah, go get that.
Hey,
Go, Hannah, go.
everybody!
Go, Hannah, go.
Hannah, away from the net.
Good. Pressure here, girls.
Throw
Pressure.
for her.
Pressure.
Good boy.
And I was on my bike, so I couldn't even get there. I was like, all right, well, I have two coaches.
Ray, you hopped up. Damn it, girl. Ray.
But I was sat in my bike and all my black.
Pressure, pressure.
Corner, Scarlett! Hannah drops. Let's try it. Girls, she's just gonna dump it. Ella, more! Ella, more! Ella, keep going. Yes! Go, Olivia, go, girl!
Hey, you shoot it, buddy. Oh, nice try.
Two in Amani. Yes, Amani. Who's supporting Amani? Scarlet, supporter. Other side. To McKenna. Amani, drop more central back. Amani, when you see her dribble, you've got to drop and go central. Okay?
Emily, watch behind you.
Scarlet, show. Come on, Morgan, run. Back up. Everyone drop. Presser! Have it! Play to the whistle, girls! Girls! Don't watch, play! That's you. Come on, time! Scarlett, yeah, that's a good job, Morgan. Go, McKenna, come on, McKenna. Scarlett, call for it. She's going to dribble in. Monty, central. Central means this way. More, yes. Okay? Press McKenna. McKenna, look for Scarlett. You and Monty, you time, dribble forward. Go Scarlett, drop. Good job, Ray. Let's go, girls. Half time. Olivia, you get to start. Is this their ball or our bar? Oh, Scarlett, Olivia, you're out. Defenders! Thank you!
We are red. We are orange.
Good job, Hannah! Bonnie, you're perfect. That's what I want, okay? Press, Scarlett, press her! Olivia, look for the pass. Too much pressure. Come on, girls, talk! You, Monty. That's your ball, Monty. Dribble, find the space, not back. Other side to Scarlett. Yes, touch board! Cross it! Scarlett! Olivia! Very good! Nose down. More high. Press! Olivia! get you to shoot. Okay?
Pressure. Okay, let's get it out of trouble.
Olivia.
Get it out of trouble. Down the wing.
Olivia. Open body. If your back is facing the net, you're never going to be able to turn.
Mark up, mark up. Who we got? Mark up.
Ella, you know what's coming. Drop Ella even further.
Ellie as well, but if Ellie can't see it, just tell everyone if there's someone open, okay?
Bigger, Hannah. Soph, get out. Bigger, Soph. Don't just watch that go into the net. Kick it away. Okay? No goal, but
That happened to me, except I shot it. It was this close to me.
Really?
The ref called it.
Hey, Hannah!
What's
No,
up,
Hannah,
ref?
what are you doing?
Ref, next chance, the kids want to sub.
I don't think you can get.
Have it! Have it! Handball. Outside to Scarlett!
Get it, Soph!
Touch! Shoot! Again!
Step, step! Hey, Emma, step up!
Right away, Scarlett! Right away! Scarlett, triple shoot! Scarlett, triple... Oh, are they subbing? Are you subbing, Maggie?
Yeah, we want to sub.
Ref,
Yeah, Hannah, step up! Hey, D, step up!
shift it! Hannah! Hannah, play the switch! Okay?
Hannah, watch behind you.
Hannah, play the switch!
Ref, sub! Ref, sub! Ref! Sub!
Hannah, Olivia! Ella in the middle!
Hey, girls.
McKenna off!
Yeah, grab your water. Let's grab water.
Press, Ella, press her!
Keep going, step back.
Olivia, pressure.
Yeah, it's you, Ella, you got this, girl.
Ania, turn down the wing.
I love that effort, Ella! Keep going! Let's go, Ella!
Go to there, go. Hurry, Ellie. Good
Press!
pass.
Drop him, Monty, you're the key, drop!
Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go. Again, Emily. Good, Emily.
That's it, Ellie, out of time. I'm going
Okay, let's win it, girls. Let's win it.
Who's going for her?
Good job, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, go. Down the wing, down the wing. All right, spare, turn, kiddo.
Come on, girls, talk! Talk! You're bunching up!
Girls, we
Go
got
for it, Ella, go for it. Go for it, Ella. Go for it, Ella.
help here. Good.
Good job, Ella.
Good, let's go, let's go. Pressure, pressure.
Pick it up.
Don't pick it up! I love that! Forward! That's a great pass! Time. What do you...
Eva!
Good pass.
Who's on her?
Morgan, you're drowning, Ella. Behind. Behind, Morgan. High. Anna, yes, step in, Anna. You leave it. Try.
Run, Eva! Run!
Watch in the middle, girls.
Good! Good job! Keep going, Eva! Good job! Awesome, Eva! Go, Olivia! Who's there? Good.
Go, Samara. That's
Samara, work!
Come, Morgan.
Be brave, buddy!
Good job. Yeah.
Turn the pressure on her. Let them turn. All done, Eva. Your ball, girls. You're right to marking. Okay, Amia, you're on the other side.
I think let have some time. Hey girls, it's not easy time yet. I don't know. So just give her some time. Okay, she'll make some decisions. She's that team class with some
Push up, Olivia.
Don't listen to me, though.
Olivia, get in front of the ball, buddy! No! The ball! Where's the ball? This way, Olivia, come forward! Yeah, there you go, guys! Watch the free players, Emily! Go to the free players!
Get
Go, Scarlett!
Olivia, behind you.
Hey, Olivia!
Olivia,
Behind you! Those teams are hiding, girl. Get over it. So, make sure you see that clear. Great, save, Ellie!
Good job, Ellie.
Keep going, Soph! Good job! Keep going, Soph! Step up, Emma! Step up, Emma!
Good, Olivia, don't let her turn
My
here.
winger!
Down the wing if you can.
Check behind!
Good, don't let her turn.
Good, Emma! Good, Emma! Good starting spot!
No turn, no turn. Good, go Emma, go. Good, go Emma, go. Go Emma, go. Go Emma. Go
Myra, watch
Oh,
it.
Olivia, run your block!
One behind you, Myra!
Out. Good. Go Olivia, go. Go.
Drop, McKenna, drop, McKenna, drop! Drop, McKenna, drop!
Again, go.
Go, Olivia! 1v1!
1v1, McKenna, win it! Win it! Very good!
Hey, stay connected, Myra! Step up! Myra! You gotta come to this player. No, you're too low. The whole team's over here. So you don't need to be sitting that way. Hey, Myra, come to
Olivia,
the strong
you should
side.
be standing right in the circle!
Okay, now hold your space because there's a player back.
Olivia, next shift, you're playing center mid. Be ready. Good cross! Annie! Annie, are you okay? Thank you! Mark a player! Take your time, Annie! Olivia, start running! Olivia, start!
Pressure on. Okay, mark up your skills. All your marks. Myra, be careful, one behind you. Oh, Myra.
Not yet.
Okay, girls, mark up. All your marks. That's you, Olivia. Help.
Come on, McKenna.
Go, girls.
Drop, Hannah, drop, Hannah. Yes, see now, outside you, Scarlett. Time. Scarlett's going to be wrong. Maybe it's going to get attention. She does work with someone. You guys are both players. But I want you two on the opposite side. So you guys have to get out of the room! No, but she's on the right, so she's left. No, buddy! Outside! There it is! Olivia, go! Come on, Tyler, cover your feet! Olivia, don't crowd her. Go win the ball.
Help.
Then we'll stop. Scarlett, on the ball.
Hey, organize early, Emma! Soph! Protect both sides, Soph! Be brave!
Okay, mark up, girls.
Be brave! Watch out, Ellie!
Good, girls. And out. Good, let's get it out, girls. Let's go.
Press up!
Everybody but Hannah and Emma stay! Everybody but Hannah and Emma! Quick!
It worked out yesterday because they started late with 15 minutes. so I just
three of my players were calling me to this
Yeah,
game,
yeah.
and we never play Saturdays, so my brother was
Good job, Myra.
So Hannah, you're still center mid,
Hi,
right?
hi.
All right, let's go, girls.
Emma's a winger.
Good job, Mia. Don't let her turn you.
In.
Good, Mia.
Other side. Show, Monty, show. Yes,
Emma,
yes.
come onto the left wing.
Show for
Emma,
her,
be
Hannah.
center mid. Okay, get it.
I'd like you, Monty. Show Anna. Now show for her. Use Hannah. Use her. Other side again. Switch to the other side. Very good. Olivia, you're center mid. Help. Use the body. Use the body. Use the body. Body, time. Dribble. Drop her. Go in. Go.
Good job, Emily.
Drop, Olivia. Drop. Olivia, when you see a Monty go, okay?
So Hannah, can you come on the left wing?
Monty,
Left wing.
just take it.
Yep.
Okay?
You got it. Tell us, Kate.
Turn, Emma.
Press. Step,
Go
Monty.
on.
Let it go out.
Okay, now let's get organized. Severa,
Monty's ball.
cross.
Monty, they're giving you the space. What did I say?
Emma, center mid.
We find Ella on the other
Good,
side.
Hannah. Stay on her. Don't let her turn. Go, Sarah.
Olivia, don't dribble. Turn into pressure.
Ava, drop! Hey, you're walking, Ava! Ava!
Morgan, you gotta be there for that.
Go, girls. Go.
Hook.
Go.
I love that.
Nice pass.
Go for it, Anna. Go for it. Anna.
Okay, forwards, get ready. Watch the drop.
Hey, can we get to that ball? Hey, Ava, come get this ball, please. Emma, higher.
Let's go, Eva.
Hannah, are you center mid or wing? Okay, Emma, you be left.
Okay, girls, I want us to go really hard
Hey,
this shift.
Severa, higher. Hold it either way. Keep going, Ava. That's ours again. Good try.
Eva, do it again, kiddo.
Go, Ava. You got it. No, that's ours.
Can we show? Olivia, are you showing? Teammate. Who's it for? Yeah, I know that. Olivia, are we moving?
Hey, Hannah, look at that free player behind you. Free player behind you.
Good, Eva. Stay on her, kiddo.
Good job. Keep going, Ava.
Very good.
Hands. Good job, Ellie. Oh,
It is. No shot. Out. Out of trouble, Mia. Out of trouble.
Punch up.
Out of trouble, girls. Out.
Go punch up.
Good. Keep going. That's okay. Good team. All right, girls.
organize early. Drop in, Samara.
You girls are trying to stay strong.
Where's your player?
All right, girls.
Where's our
Ball
defender?
out. Good job,
Where's our
Emily.
defenders? Anna. Middle.
Emma, behind you.
In the middle. When there's nobody there, you got to
Head
all
up.
the space.
Ball out. Out of that. Yeah, good. Go, Samara. Go.
Press, Olivia. Press.
Go, Samara.
Let her body drop. Drop. Delay.
Take her, Emma. Yes, you got her, Emma. You got her.
Keep going, Emma. Don't give up. Don't give
Too
up.
much pressure.
Keep going. Good job. Ref will sub. Emily and Amia stay. Everybody else off. Amia and Emily stay. Come on, girls. Job.
So hard.
I know you worked so hard. Good job. Good job, Ava.
You're hustling so hard. Okay, girls, really important that we grab water, okay? Go, Mia.
So Myra, we're pretty far away from everybody, right? Can we get closer? Impact a player, Myra. Go to a player, please. Myra, orange boots, go.
Actually, right here, boys.
Lucy, that free player right there. Go. Myra, free player behind you. Good. Step together, Myra.
Very
Myra,
good.
the ball went up, so
Go
we
for her,
step.
Anna.
Good, come, Olivia. Who's there?
Hannah, tuck in behind her. Hannah.
Good, Lucy, go get it.
Good, Emily.
Yes, use your wing.
Turn, Emily.
Good,
Good, go,
Emily.
Emily, go. Get ready, Olivia. Get ready.
Ball, turn.
Good, turn, Olivia.
Keep going, Olivia. Good battle. Good battle, guys.
Get it.
Go,
Come on,
slow.
get it.
Go, slow.
Olivia. Olivia, press.
Go win it, Soph. Good try. Great switch. Myra, we're too far apart.
Up, Myra. Good. Go, Olivia.
Get it, Soph. Ah, good try.
More,
Okay, girls, we're watching a little bit. Let's get
Away, away.
down the wing, down the wing.
Ref up. Ref up.
Great save, Ellie.
Emily, just try to go that side.
Em. Yeah, try to take it away from the net.
Olivia. Go off in defense. Okay?
Okay. I'll lie, Anna.
All the way back. On the corner.
Yeah, Ellie saved
Ella.
it. Protect. Goal side, girls.
Mark up.
Pull
Emily.
forward. Pull
Tell
forward.
everyone, tell
Defense.
everyone to
Pull
mark,
forward.
okay?
Amia, within the net.
Run it. Run.
Excellent.
Go for it.
Good marking. That's
Okay.
okay.
So, hey, Imani's not here.
Olivia. Corner kick again. Olivia. Olivia. Make sure your body shape forces away from the net. Nope.
You know what? That actually should have been.
Go step, Olivia.
Yeah, Olivia,
Go
this is
step. Is that game?
You know, I feel like ending the game. Girls, yeah, go to your goalies. Excellent job. Let's go. Let's go get high five to our goalie.